this means another project. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but I'll give you a clue. Small and round. Yep, you guessed it right. Smaller ball this time round. Okay, it's only because I want this stick to be faster. So let's see how it goes. I'm gonna pause this video, make it, and I'm gonna show you what I've done after. So yeah, wish me luck. I don't know if you could guys see. Not this one. This one's for somebody too. I'll try this one next. Wow. This thing is gonna make me go cuckoo. Believe me, I've made so many of them. So far, this is the best. You're gonna check the speed out on this. Alright, this time, what I did was, I used a small ball, yeah? It's only because I wanted something even a bit faster. But yeah, definitely made me cuckoo. Woo! The video don't do justice. The video not showing you well, but this bag, wow. A lot faster. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and everything else. God bless.